Hello our friend, this my videos today so about how to replace and installation cabin AC Toyota Highlander 2004. Now please watching and can do it now. Yeah, first time and remove this luggage box and then so put like this. Okay, after remove the luggage box, okay, you can remove the AC cover, and this is AC cover, and to mark up, remove. Okay. Now we can check the mark up. Okay, up. Now install. Okay, now after I clean the cabin AC filter, now I installation it. Now installing it. When installing, make sure the up mark is upward. Okay, and this sign of upward. When install AC cabin AC ready, and you install cabin AC filter. Okay, now okay, so hard to okay, yes, after same. Okay, now I install cabin AC already. Yeah, I hope that when you watching in this video you can remove and install your AC about your car. Yeah, can do it. Thank you for watching this video. Relax.